Having a good quality microphone is really crucial when it comes to creating content online or participating in audio conferences or even making audio calls. If you don't have the budget to spend on some expensive, high-end microphones but still want to get a decent sound, better than your standard built-in mic, the Tonor TC40 RGB is the best choice on the market today for both Windows and macOS computers. Not only this microphone sounds great for the budget, but it also looks cool thanks to the RGB light. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Tonor TC40 RGB. I will give you my honest opinion about this product, and I will try to help you decide if you should buy it or not. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. You can buy this microphone on Amazon for around $65, which is really not expensive and I would even say affordable. So let's start with the unboxing. The package is really simple, but it contains not only the microphone but also a lot of useful accessories. Inside the box, you'll find the manual for both Windows and Mac computers, adjustable arm stand, the microphone itself, a pop filter, a USB cable, and some cable management accessories. The installation process is super easy. You don't need any additional tools to install the microphone on your desk. The configuration of the microphone is even easier. Just plug in the microphone to your computer and select it as an input device. That's all you have to do to use your Tonor TC40 RGB for audio recordings or streaming. Features. Well, obviously the biggest feature of this microphone is the RGB light. I like how it looks. I think it adds some positive vibes to our sad and crazy world. Just by looking at it, it will make you happy. The second feature is the ability to mute the microphone with a single tap. It is super useful for all kinds of audio conferences when you just need to mute yourself. When you are turning off the mic, it becomes red. I like how they use the RGB light to indicate that the microphone is muted. You also have the ability to monitor the sound of your voice by connecting an external headphones with a 3.5mm jack. It's super useful, especially while recording voice-off for YouTube videos. I think this microphone has a pretty decent sound quality, more than enough for a regular user. I think it would be a great choice for beginners or people with a limited budget. Actually, the whole video was recorded using the Tonor TC40 RGB microphone, so you can already get the idea of the sound quality. I just added some audio presets and I adjusted some settings. Now I would like to make a quick comparison between Tonor TC40 and 2 times more expensive product Blue Yeti Nano that I own as well. In addition, I will add the recording of my standard MacBook Pro built-in microphone, so you will be able to hear the difference between the standard and the external microphones. So now the sound comes from the Tonor TC40 RGB without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price of this microphone is $65. Now the sound comes from Tonor TC30 microphone without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price of this microphone is $42.99. It's good for most people out there. It's simple to use, it has good looking design and 2 accessories already included in the box. Now the sound comes from my Blue Yeti Nano mic without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This microphone costs around €100. It does not have USB-C connector and does not include a pop filter in the box. Now the sound comes from my standard built-in studio mic from my MacBook Pro 16-inch with M1 Pro chip. Apple says it has some improved quality mics. Well, I would not rely on this mic for anything more serious than a FaceTime call. Verdict: the Tonor TC40 RGB USB microphone kit has everything necessary to set up your audio production quality to a whole new level for a very attractive price. We're living in the world of video conferences and virtual meetings. Perhaps nothing makes one of these conferences more insufferable than someone's scratchy, low-quality integrated microphone. And the last thing you want is for that scratchy mic to be yours. Fortunately, to have a good quality microphone, you don't need to dive into some expensive world of audio interfaces, mixers and XLR cables to see a massive improvement. The Tonor TC40 microphone kit will provide everything you need to give you quite decent audio quality for just around $65. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.